Good afternoon, everybody. This is St Charts. It's 26th of February 2025. Going to start with Cornish Metals. And this one, I think there's been a bit of confusion online about the chart. But this, for me, is a really good chart, Cornish Metals. I'm just going to talk longer term. I think that, at the moment, we just started a reversal out of this blue box reversal zone down here at 7.74 to 5.56. We highlighted it around 6.5 pence and thought we were going to be trading up into the sort of 10 pence zone, which was correct. And for me, as a sort of short, medium term hold, I think we could be trading up into this red box zone up here. There's an initial target at 28.3 to 34.6 pence. But if I'm just going to drop down to the 4-hourly chart, and this is where I gave that previous target here, which is the grey box there, zone there, which was correct. And for me, if we can sort of hold above sort of just above 9.5 pence, should see us trading up to this red box zone here at 12.25 to 13.55 pence. And worth having a look at our interview. It's on the homepage. It's on YouTube. Where we talk about the importance of the tin price. The tin chart is also included in that interview. If you want to view that, it's towards the end. Thank you very much. Next one I'm going to do is gold. And this one here, just get onto the right one. There we go. So this one here we've highlighted several times, and we had that blue box within a blue box. For me, it's sort of popped its head above. It's struggling to break that resistance, and I think we're going to see a bit of a corrective play here. So as I said before, I think we'll see probably a pull down probably to low 28s or 2,800 before we make a final push higher. So gold, one to keep an eye on. Next one I'm going to do is the FTSE, and this one here is again one where we've gave that blue box there. I think that it's a bit struggling here, but I think what we might see is a bit more upside before another corrective move, and then hopefully a final push higher towards the top of that blue box there at sort of 89,021. I do have another bulls target up here, which is active for me, but I don't think we're going to make it on this leg, but you never know. Fingers crossed, that'd be great if we do, but I think we see a bit more corrective move following this tag at the top of the blue box there. But that's a FTSE for me. Wait and see how that corrective move plays out. Next one I'm going to do is Bitcoin. And this one, again, great call from us. We said that we were expecting some more downside into this red box zone here. I think it was around 97,000 when we said that. Today or yesterday, actually, it's hit that red box, and the bulls are stepped in. We've got a couple of nice wick-off candles there. Looks pretty good, and hopefully, if we can sort of break and hold above 107,000, I've extended my red box, and I think we're going to see trading up to 115,134 to 124,276, which is ironically the top of the blue box there that we gave a long while back when it was sort of at 54,600. So absolutely fantastic call. Hopefully we see them bull step in here from this red box at 90,141 to 84,879. But Bitcoin looking good, and I'm still calling for more upside. Next one I'm going to do is the FTSE AIM All Share Index, and for me, this is another one that's at the bottom of my extended blue box, and I'm hopeful that that's going to see some more buyers step in, and if we can break this prior high here at 812, should see the index heading up to 857 to 896. But hopefully we see a reversal from where we are today. So far in the past, we've done pretty well with calling that, so fingers crossed that continues. Next one I'm going to do is PRE, because that's another fantastic call from us. We said that we were expecting more downside at around here, the 24-ish pence level. You can have a look back at our previous videos, and indeed it's trading to hit that blue box at 19.8 to 17 pence, where I'm expecting bulls to step in. We're either going to get a three-wave bounce up to there, somewhere like that, or if we can smash this prior high at 32.7, should see us trading into the red box there at 39.1 to 44.6. Next one I'm going to do is GBP, and this one here, for me, oh goodness me, get rid of that squiggly line there. But for me, this is a really good reversal play potentially. It's got loads of divergence there on the RSI, also on the MACD. And for me, if it could drop the right news, break, I think it needs to really hold above sort of 0.35 pence level, and should see us trading into that red box there at 0.49 to 0.58. So worth doing some research, see what's going on. EUA is my next one because that's a chart request. And for me, nothing's changed here since I last did the chart for it. It's had a bit of a pullback here, but for me, I think we're going to see trading up here into this red box zone at 7.91 to 9.59 pence. So that for me is where EUA should be heading. Next one I'm going to do is THX. And for me, I've got a blue box here, which I gave a long while ago, and it's struggling to break that. But if we can break that, and we should be trading into that red box there at 24.2 to 27 pence. Probably what we're going to see here, just if I just get rid of that and say that this is sort of a wave one, that's our 2, that's our 3. We'll probably get a bit of a pullback and then hopefully another wave higher following the price of gold into that red box zone there, probably hitting the top of it, sort of, so anything between 24.2 to 27 pence. Next one I'm going to do is GCSU. And no, it's not, that's GSCU. Yes, sorry, there we go. And that's one today. We gave this one at the weekend, well, the other week at 1.3, said that it should be a good reversal play. And today it's hit that target at 2.02 to 2.22. It's going to be interesting to see where that one goes from here. But there we go, another great call. Next one I'm going to do is firing. And for me, if I can just get that up. I think that, it struggled, hasn't it, to beat that prior high at sort of 6.08. But hopefully the Bulls can step in here. And I'm still optimistic that we're going to hit this red box zone up here. So anything between sort of 7.22 and 9.42 pence. So they just need to drop some good news to get the Bulls to kick in. RSG is my next one. And this one here is where I had I've got this red box reversal zone at 16.8 to 14.5. It's struggling to get there, but it's another one that's really good on the RSIs, massive amounts of divergence, also on the MACD, and I think they're getting ready to drop some good news there, and hopefully that could be heading up to fill that gap there at 33.4 would be the immediate target, and then see where it goes from there. So RSG, worth a look. Next one I'm going to do is ROC, and this one here is one where we gave a blue box reversal zone, and for me, fingers crossed that that can have a bull step in, and we can see at least a 3-wave bounce to the upside. It's going to be a tricky one, isn't it? There, I'm not too sure we're going to break this prior high at 6.8. If it does, that's a couple of bags at least. But short term, one would expect from that blue box down there, so anything between 2.42 and 1.58, we should get the bulls to step in. So fingers crossed. Next one I'm going to do is ONDO, and that for me, I think that we hopefully can see the bulls step in here, and we can get some more upside and start attacking this 45.8 to 55 pence. I think that's still an active target, although obviously the sellers have stepped in for some of their reason, but I think we're going to see some bulls step in fairly soon. Next one I'm going to do is CTL, and that's my last one for today. Cleantech Lithium, and this is one where I said that I thought we were going to see trading down into this blue box within the blue box, and it's pretty much tagged that today, hasn't it? So 11.55 to 7.85 is where I think that should be value for an entry for a reversal play. And I think sort of initial target there, you've got a gap there at 26.9. Not too sure it's going to fill that, but it's worth having a look, see what's going on. That's for me for today. Back soon. Thank you very much.